Hello friends, so today we are gonna make the project of whtehatjr Junior, which is COVID-19 health bot. So my knowledge base was not working. I don't know why. So I asked to my teacher that, ma'am, uh, my knowledge base is not working. It is showing error when I am clicking on create button. So can I make intent questions and create fakes? So she said that yes, you can do that also. So I am doing in that way only. And if you are suffering from this problem like me, so you can also make the project like this only. So I have created 3 intents. So now I am going to create one more intent. So now what is the article of STATI spreading of the overall coronavirus? So let me read it. These spread. These this public health talk about these communities, but it's just a way. So this is, I think this is perfect. So let me create the intent. So what is the community of STATI spreading virus? Yes, same I am going to type what is the of STRTATI spreading these corona corona virus. So here I'm gonna I'm gonna paste it over here. So let's just save it. So yes, now from which from from which country coronavirus is spread. So it is saved. Now let's move on to our next intent. So we click on create intent. So let me what is this new coronavirus made up of? Just paste let me got it paste it paste copy. Let me paste it over here and now save it. So now you must be wondering that why I am not making uh, this project COVID-19 help what with the help of this knowledge base. So the thing is that when I am going to knowledge base and I have created this four knowledge bases, but when I am clicking on it and when I am clicking on create the first one and after that when I am typing FAQ fake knowledge type fake text CSV upload file from your computer select file then when COVID-19 fix CSV file and when I am clicking on this create button why I don't know why this error is coming. See, this will come, error will come. I know perfectly that error will come. See, that's why I asked to my teacher to make fakes with the intent, with the help of intent. So she said me that yes, I can make it. How many intents we have created? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let me just create one more intent. So let me just see one more question here. So let me just add this question. Intent name. What is the name of what is the name of the coronavirus? What is what is the name of the HICKEN VIRUS coronavirus? So let me just save it. I will enable the web demo. After that, yes, I will, I will copy this link inside the code and see what I will do. See what I will do is I will go over here and I will paste it and I will delete this code. So I will just click enter. This is the COVID-19 help bot. So I will copy this link and I will copy it and I will go to Whitehead Junior and I will go on the COVID-19 chatbot and I will paste my this and submit project URL input box. So great. So thank you so much and goodbye. Have a good day ahead.